Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 19th, 2021. I wanted to come in and give you all an updated price movement for Polygon MATIC. You guys can see it on my chart. What we are going to talk about today, we want to give you all a new price target for this particular cryptocurrency way before the market actually gets there. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're going to give you all a realistic price prediction as to where we're looking for the price to go without the confusion. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. I would also recommend that you tap that bell notification because whenever I do these videos, you get the first leg up as to where I'm looking for the market to go. So make sure you guys do that if you appreciate the content that we are creating. If not, more power to you. All right, so now check this out. October the 30th was the last time I did my video in MATIC. I was telling you all then, hey, be prepared for some weakness to come through. Be prepared for the price to go down in MATIC while everyone else is still trying to pump this cryptocurrency, telling you all to come in and buy it. Well, price been going the opposite direction. This is one of the biggest things about trying to see both sides of the market. Everyone else is telling you the one side of the picture. They're trying to give you one aspect of how the market works, which is buy. They always want you to buy. They never come through and tell you all when to come in and expect the price to go down because they don't understand how the market works. So right here, you guys can see on November the 10th was when the market came through and hit our ultimate TP price. 17.47% profitability was had. That's done. That's completed. Now we move on to the next potential. Let's see where price is going to go now, because if the market in MATIC is still showing us weakness, then guess what? I'm still going to play the weakness. If I'm looking for the price based off what I'm seeing on the price chart to go down, then I'm going to tell you all that. But if I'm seeing a reversal or a change in trend, i.e. price starting to go up, then I'll tell you that as well too. So let's clean up this chart real quick because you guys can see we broke the trend in MATIC of following this upward trend line right here. It broke on November the 9th. So that's the first indication to tell us, hey, don't expect this price in MATIC to go up. Not right now. We broke the trend. Okay. So let's see what we have going on into the market in MATIC, because if anything, if the trend is broken in MATIC, then the next outlook for us to do is for the market to consolidate, right? But check this out. When I zoomed out of this particular price chart, I want you all to see this. That this is the current overall trend into the market in MATIC. When I look at this from a 2-day perspective, you might even get a better idea from a 3-day time frame as to what this market really is doing in MATIC. Like, check that out. We're still in an upward trend into the market in MATIC. So don't get it twisted. The market is still prepared to go up in the long term in MATIC. You guys can just tell we broke so far away from the overall trend into the market in MATIC. Okay. So yeah, we can see the price come back down to $1.40, even to $1.20, and grab support there. And then we'll still be geared to see the price go up. So pretty much it's the expectation as to when to get into the market in MATIC. Do you want to buy when it was at $1.80 or $2 when price can come down to $1.40 or even $1.20? It's cheaper at $1.20, and then we'll still have the ability of price to go up because this long-term trend hasn't been broken in MATIC yet. Now, if we break this trend, then again, that's a bear market. I'm telling you this from off the rip. Don't expect the price in MATIC to go up at all. We're going to trade stagnant or even start a bear market to where price is going to continue to go down in the long term. So I'm giving you all the play right now. So looking at this here into the market in MATIC, okay, yes, we're in a downtrend. Okay, we are seeing the price in MATIC go down. So the only question that we need to try to identify is, okay, cool. At what point can we see the market support itself? Is it at $1.40 or is it at $1.20? One of those locations is where we're going to get the answer. This is the 2-day time frame, and right here on this last 2-day price bar definitely signifies that there's still some selling going on into the market in MATIC. Now we're starting off on this current 2-day price bar showing us some indication of market strength, but generally look at where we've gone, look at where we've been to where we are at today. This is what is intact. This is what is progression. The price movement to the downside is right there. This is the 5-day time frame. So generally you guys can see it. I'm not trying to twist your foot or anything like that. The market here is still weak. So again, we need to identify at what point will we see the market prop up price. Okay. So now, as we've been seeing the price in MATIC go down, there is now a couple of more areas of restriction that we will need to see this price overcome in order for us to really see a bullish trend occurring to the market in MATIC. And this is the first location right here. It's at $2. That's another restriction area. And even better is $1.80. So we got $1.80 as restriction. And then we got $2 as restriction on top of where we were back there at $2.20. So I'm just giving you all the restriction points into the market in MATIC. So this is the current weekly time frame price chart. Every price bar we see is a week's worth of price movement and price action. And currently, you guys can still see it. We're still seeing some weakness here into the market in MATIC. I'm still going to play the weakness until I see this price break back up above $1.80. Okay, maybe even $2. So let me run this back on the hourly time frame, and then I'll go ahead and do a price prediction as to what I'm noticing into the market in MATIC. Okay, so from out the gate, I'm not really seeing a big push to the downside in MATIC. Pretty much looking for us to continue to do this for a couple more hours, let the market trade sideways, maybe go into, ending of November, beginning of December, just continue to trade sideways into the market in MATIC. But we haven't changed the overall trend of us going down in price yet. Okay, which is why until I see this market break above $1.80, I'm going to play the weakness or expect the price to go down. So let me show you all what we have in terms of what we're looking forward to in terms of price movement in MATIC. So I said $1.80. Okay, that's restriction. If price doesn't come up above $1.80 on strength, then continue to expect the market in MATIC to go down. Now I got two price targets. First one is around $1.40. That's the first location that I'm looking for the price to try to come down and grab support. That gives us 10.25% profitability into the market right there. Second area will take us towards $1.20. Okay, that's 22.5% right there. So these are the two areas that I'm looking for the market in MATIC to go. So seeing that the price in MATIC is trading around $1.50, I'm going to bring this restriction area down slightly to $2. Okay, even though I already know that 220 is a bigger area of restriction in the market in MATIC. So this is it. I'm going to keep this overall long-term trend in place because I want to see how low the market is going to go. Because if we do come down to this ascending line throughout the rest of 2021 and we see strength, then this is the prime opportunity to come in and buy MATIC. Now we see weakness on this ascending line, then that tells us again, don't come in and buy it because the market's going to go a lot lower than what our expectations are. I'm just trying to give you all a heads up. All right, so that's it. This is my current price prediction into the market in MATIC. I want to know, what is your current price prediction for this cryptocurrency? Tell me, where do you think the market price is going to be in MATIC over the next couple of weeks, right? Give me next 3 weeks. Where will the price be? Okay. And that's it. I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.